I use often a quote, "Your research starts with us." Scientific members of three societies said, we need a place to store the genetic diversity of the world. So let's create it, and that's how ATCC began.
ATCC was founded by scientists for scientists, really to enable discovery and research, and ultimately the translation of that work.
ATCC was founded in 1925 as a resource for scientists and researchers who were developing new drugs, new therapeutics, new methods for a variety of uses.
ATCC is a nonprofit bioresource center, and as such, we're a trusted partner to our government and industry partners who rely on authenticated, reliable biomaterials that will support their research. I think if you talk to any of the key opinion leaders in the biotech industry, everyone knows ATCC. We're an icon, we're a brand.
So ATCC's materials, the biotech industry has stated it wouldn't have proceeded and developed as well as it did without ATCC's materials. ATCC is instrumental in safety, security, to allow researchers to work with similar materials so that they can replicate the methodology the way it's necessary. The methodology of science is built around replication, but we touch people's lives in many other ways today.
In terms of ATCC's impact on science and clinical translation of scientific knowledge, ATCC has really been in the background of many, many innovations.
Our customers are extremely diverse. They come from the pharmaceutical industry, the diagnostic industry, hospitals, agriculture, aquaculture, food and beverage, cosmetics, other industries. All of those industries can lead to the improvement of human health.
We hold a number of materials that support infectious disease research, so that plays a critical role in pandemic response. So when there's a public emergency, we're the place that they go to.
I think this world would be a different place without an ATCC.
It would be a little chaotic. Science would be more chaotic.
The innovations and the scientific knowledge that we have around infectious disease, around oncology, around many environmental science discoveries would not have been possible.
If you need it, you come to ATCC. If you can't find it, you come to ATCC.
We need a resource like ATCC as a foundation for that scientific knowledge building. The future of ATCC is very bright, and we will continue to contribute as we have in the past. There are many things that are evolving around science, how data is collected, how it's used, and we are at the cutting edge of genomics and providing genomic standards, providing 3D models, as well as toxicology to study and understand disease and make the next generation of discoveries.
The future is bright for us because I think there's going to be continual requirements for new materials to address the emerging infectious diseases that are out there. The company prides itself on innovation and breakthrough science.
To this day, I just believe ATCC has such an aspiration of continuing success and differentiation and development. ATCC more than ever, it is so essential to the scientific process.
The employees and myself were proud to be here at ATCC because you never know really the lives that we'll touch at the end of the day, from that vial of cells to the next scientific leap.